What's up, guys? It's your boy Life is Jay, and I'm back to y'all with another video. I know it's been a while, but well, not really. I've tried to do videos earlier, and been cock blocked by YouTube. But that's a fact. I got a package, and it's been a package that I've been waiting for a long time. Hotdamnirock. Got this in November. I ordered in November, and he really cared. This guy, like, he is the inspiration of me even having a YouTube page, right? So this will be the most special package I've had in a long time. If it wasn't for this guy right here, there would be no YouTube. I would have never made Vine. I would this is the person, like, most of my videos, my rant videos, is inspired by Hotdamnirock. Without him, none of that would be out there. Like, they would never made social media, ever. With that being said, we're gonna open this. Let me see what's up with this. Open this with care. God damn. Alright. Post a picture of you and your package with the hashtag KAIN Speaks. Video coming soon. Wow. Back then, sandwiches was dinner and shit. Wow. And I'm gonna post. I got this shirt because this was the most funny. Like, this video was hilarious. Wow. Like, he got basically almost beat down in the hood trying to get some bread. Came with some oil, machine body butter. And he's showing, like, the whole process through social media, like what he was doing and what he was. Bruh, the steps, bruh. Look at the steps. Hold on. You see it? Step 1, washing machine. Step 2, dryer machine. Step 3, oil. Apply oil to the entire machine. Step 4, look in the mirror, admire your body, admire your beauty. Step 5, drink water. Oil. Man, so yeah, he's been grinding. Even got the lip balm. So, like, he really took the time to do all of this. And then we got this right here. Probably gonna a sticker. It's a sticker. Customized letter. I'm not gonna read the letter. I feel like that would be more. This is more like to everyone else. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Wow. Yeah, this is probably the most special unboxing. Oh, and I'm gonna link the video to why this t-shirt so it's so dope. Winter bread rapper. But it says Hotdamnirock. And yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the video. In the description. But yeah, man, that's it. Wow. Man. Yeah, if it wasn't for this guy right here, and seeing this symbol, you wouldn't see me on there. I promise you. So yeah, this is a special package for me. And I'm probably gonna get a little emotional. Believe that you're beautiful and you will be. KAIN. Yeah, so before I start crying, thanks for watching. I'll be back with more videos. If YouTube stops towing me, I'll be back. But yeah. This is
around. And then the guy that hit me, he's standing in the middle of the circle, and he looked me in my face and he said, "Now what?" Only thing that was on my mind, y'all gonna have to earn this ass whooping. I saw my house 2 blocks away, and on my left side alone, it was 5 motherfuckers I had to get past first. I ran straight into them, full speed. I stiff-armed the fuck out 2 people at the same time. Another guy grabbed my shirt, came around his ass too. Oh, swim move. You talk about speed. I outran a black Toyota Camry that day. And I know it was a Toyota Camry because when I started running, I was behind the motherfucker. I caught up with it, passed it, and ran out in front of it across the street to get to my house. Jesus and all his disciples couldn't have caught my ass that day. I get back in the house, nose running, face all red. My father look at me like, "What happened, Dad?" I did what you said. When I went outside, I went across the street and I went down there and they tried to jump me. So my father looked at me and he said, "Oh, damn. So you ain't get the bread?"
Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the news, CNN, yeah.